We'll see how this goes.
I'm going to suggest the first 3 melons go about an inch that way.
It slowed down so much before it hit the steel plate.
And here's where it hit the steel plate.
Yep, and that's concrete.
And here's where it hit the concrete.
And that's why we put this in a protected case.
Yes.
And we reassemble the melons.
There you go. There it is. Go ahead. Yeah, there you go. Nice. That sound.
About lining up with these.
That's damn near perfect, honestly. You can line that up.
That's a good question, because with no space, the shockwave will travel faster than the ball does. So you'll probably end up knocking the back ones off rather than getting the cannonball going through it. So finger width. And then now it's a projected energy rather than a transmitted energy. You're the stock person in the back who's just smiling and pointing at the paperwork as someone's stealing your phone. But I get straight. And dash.
3, 2, 1.
An umbrella?
Oh, wow, Captain. That's like a
Right row in Gallagher.
This is where the cannonball hit one of the plastic soda containers and just took out a chunk.
Wow. So what's going on right now?
Everybody is looking for their balls.
I think the primary reason it stopped going through the bottles was the ball slowed down. You absorbed enough energy in those first 3 that it acted like a trampoline, which is also why it deviated from a straight line, is because you
just bounced
got round ball up a round cylinder, it went anywhere.
But we've gotten through more than 4 before at a shorter distance, or at a similar distance.
I don't know if we've used the gap before.
3, 2, 1.
Maybe look for your other cannonball over here.
There's a ball right there. By the way,
You're gonna need a shower.
I think I've had one, thank you.
All it did was it got hit real hard, I think down here on the bottom, and it blew the cap off and just soda rocket.
We did find a cannonball back over here at the end of the loading dock.
I think
So that was this one, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
It was right where my toe was.
Get 30
But we have evidence that it hit the actual steel plate, and we have evidence that it hit the concrete itself. So now the question is that If it hit both of those, why did it roll this far? I say move your car.
I see no evidence that they hit the car.
Looks silver in the sun.
We retired a much smaller tank and replaced it with this one, which is about 4 times the air volume. And the pipes that feed into the valve here are also bigger. So we're getting more shots between the air compressor needing to recharge it, but we're also getting a little bit more air volume through the valve. So theoretically, we're getting more velocity out of the projectiles. I haven't done the math. I'm not exactly sure how much more velocity we're getting. I don't think it's a tremendous amount more. It's some, but not a lot more. But this setup does allow us more shots quicker because we don't have to wait for the air compressor to recharge the cannon. We can get 4 or 5 shots of decreasing velocity before we have to recharge. There's a large valve down here that opens up, and that's what lets the high pressure air get in behind the cannonball. We used to actuate that with just a little lever button that you would push. It would release a little bit of air on one side of the valve, which would open the valve and let it go. What we've done is brought these parts together, and we built an electro-pneumatic actuator for the valve, which allows us to time how long the valve is open down to, I think we're in the 1,000th of a second, I think. So I think right now it's set to be open for 3,000ths of a second. And this definitely lets us make better use of the air we have stored in the air reservoir. Countdown 3, 2, 1, and
3, 2, 1.
Key. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Rolling.
3, 2, 1.
Turn the key on.
I gotta turn the key on. 3, 2, 1.
Rolling. On. 3, 2, 1. Safe.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
right through the middle.
Nice shoot. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That's some good shooting, Tex.
Nice shot.
So why did you get to do the TV part?
I brought the TV here.
Okay. Why'd
Yeah.
you bring the TV?
I got it for free helping somebody move, and it just never worked.
Oh, that is hilarious. Safe.
It looked like it went right in the same damn hole. It did go in the same hole. Oh!
Peeled potato.
Wow. Well, shoot. It is a sharp edge, like so, and it is the same diameter as the barrel of the air cannon. So when you push a potato through this and cut off the edges that won't fit, then we get a nice smooth seal in the air cannon, and it seems to work pretty good. 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
4 potatoes and a cannonball. Wow, they really does tumble those potatoes, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, when it comes out, it just you see the whole thing rotate.
Potato.
It's
Round.
Yeah.
The potato.
It's supposed to be round, but it.
Is this potato? Well, we can move it. We can always move the cannon closer.
Nope, it went through. It's down there. And I do believe it's dented.
Surprised by that.
Where the hell you go? Not very good.
Your farming skills suck.
Yeah. My fruit salad skills are awesome.
Stop laughing.
I like how it's best. It's the climax of the film.
I don't consent. I need an adult. Just bad touch?
I need an adult. But like an adult, it's not gonna me.
Just put it in the back of a truck and take it through a car wash.
Yeah.